Hello, I'm Dr. Navneet Saraiya. I'm a consultant spine surgeon at Apollo Hospitals in Ahmedabad. We recently treated Miss Neeta Shah, who's a resident of Nairobi. She has suffered from arachnoid cyst. She got in touch with Apollo Hospitals for further treatment as she was starting to develop further symptoms in terms of weakness in the legs. We got in touch with the family and discussed the investigation findings and gave them a proposed plan. They were quite keen to have a resolution of the problem, so we got in touch and our marketing team got them over. Essentially, she had a congenital deformity in the spine which had led to or contributed to development of the arachnoid cyst. So the plan was discussed with our neurosurgeon, Dr. Navneet Saraiya, and it was decided to operate in a multidisciplinary fashion with a spine surgeon and a neurosurgeon combining their skills together. We discussed the X-rays and MRIs in detail to try and decompress the cyst as well as stabilize the spine if possible. So from our combined experience, once we operated, we realized that her bones were too soft and her pedicles, where we put the screws, were too narrow for any instrumentation. Therefore, our plan had to be tailored, had to be optimized according to the patient's pathology. But we kept our targets in mind. Our prime target was to decompress and manage the arachnoid cyst, where the expertise of Dr. Navneet Saraiya came in good hand. From the spine point of view, we made sure that we did not destabilize the spine so that her standing and sitting stability and pain could be well controlled. So this combined effort thankfully paid good dividends in the end, and the patient got discharged walking on her own feet, being able to climb stairs satisfactorily at about 10 to 12 days. So we thank Dr. Navneet Saraiya for his valuable input and the family for putting their trust in us, for which we are quite grateful. Thank you very much.
I congratulate the head of Apollo Ahmedabad International Service, because everything went smooth from entering Ahmedabad airport until leaving the hospital. Today discharged from hospital today.